Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: TV-powered, network-connected, and your Samsung account signed in so cloud and casting work. Once done, connect a USB drive or enable Smart View on your phone and accept any permission prompts. Make sure to press Home, go to Apps, and open Gallery, then pick the source you want to browse. This gets you straight into photos and videos without extra setup, so you can act on media immediately. Now you'll manage and view content. You can browse by albums, dates, or media type, and use the remote's directional pad to jump between items quickly. When you open a photo, choose full screen or start a slideshow with background music. Use remote gestures to zoom and pan. If you want to edit, select crop, rotate, or basic exposure controls, and save edits either back to the USB or to Samsung Cloud. These middle steps let you refine presentation. To finish, share, or backup your work. Use Smart View to cast to another device or upload albums to Samsung Cloud for safekeeping. When cleaning up, select multiple files with the remote, open options, and choose Delete or Move to organized folders. Finally, make sure settings like autoplay and display mode are set the way you want. If something fails, media won't load or thumbnails are missing, clear the Gallery app cache or reboot the TV. That fixes most hiccups fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.